Morning sun breaking through the trees, old John boat rocking in the breeze, line in the water, coffee in a cup. Ain't much moving, but that's enough. You're sitting there in that faded cap, smiling at me like we just met. Years gone by, but it feels the same. Still get lost when you say my name. We don't say much, don't need to talk, just the sound of waves on the rocks. Right here on this water, time slows down. No place on earth I'd rather be found. We've had our days, we've had our storms, but love like this just keeps you warm. Babies crying and watching them grow. Now they're out chasing roads we used to know. And I thank the Lord for all we got, sitting right here on this fishing spot. I still remember them little feet running barefoot down this creek. You'd pack a lunch, I'd bait their lines. We'd laugh all day in the summer shine. Now it's quiet where it used to be loud, just you and me in a drifting cloud. But I wouldn't change a single thing. Every memory's a diamond ring. Yeah, we built a life on simple days, found our truth in 1,000 ways. Right here on this water, hearts run deep, and every promise we got to keep. We've had our highs, we've had our lows, but we held on and we never let go. From bedtime prayers to front porch talks, to watching them walk across that old parking lot. And I thank the Lord for all we got, sitting right here on this fishing spot. If I had to do it all again, I'd go back to every place we've been, through every tear and every smile. You've been my home all the while. The line goes still, sun hangs low, ain't nowhere else I wanna go. Right here on this water, hand in mind, with our love forever in time. We've lived a life that's full and true, and every bit of it's me and you. From raising kids to letting them fly, to quiet mornings like this passing by. And I thank the Lord for all we got, sitting right here on this fishing spot. Yeah, just you and me in a peaceful thought, right here on this fishing spot.